Now then, crew, and welcome back to the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel, a video with a difference. I was very fortunate a few days ago. I was down in Oamaru in the South Island and I came across a single-phase manual milling machine. And a good friend of mine, Sheldon, decided, after I twisted his arm a little bit, he agreed to sell it to me, which was very nice of him. And again, thank you very much, Sheldon. I do really appreciate it. Well, that milling machine has travelled probably about 2,000 kilometres in the back of the ute. It's finally made it home about 10 days later after doing lots of other stuff, together with lots of other stuff in the back of the ute as well. And now we have to get it out of the back of the ute and into the workshop. And I thought I'd take you along on the journey. All we've got to help us is a little Kubota tractor with a front bucket and a backhoe. I don't know if we're going to be able to do it or not. We might have to come up with some ingenious plan just to sort of muscle around. It's not a full-size tractor, it's only about half size, so it hasn't really got the lift, but we'll do what we can. Oh, and I haven't got any pallet forks for it yet. They're on order, but they haven't yet turned up. So with those, it would have made life a bit easier. At the moment, we've got to do everything with a chain and the bucket. It's a bit dodgy. Anyway, let's go for it. Use.
You don't paint something without warning.
Honestly. Done. We'll turn left. Holy shit. Alright, you can press the stop button now while I think what to do next. This is not precarious at all. Digger on trailer to get height. Mill hanging off the back of the ute on the tailgate. So important stuff. The metal bar. Okay. Falls out, we have a problem. It's going to crash to the ground. On the top, the bungee probably will snap, fly off somewhere. As long as it's away from me, I don't care. Keep an eye on the hook, we don't want that falling off. And hopefully we can get it onto the trailer at least and have touchdown on the trailer and have a rethink on how we're going to get it off the trailer. It's fun, isn't it? Jeez. Will it lift it? I don't know. How much does it weigh? I have no idea. Right, you ready? Okay. stage 36 finished. One more stage to go. Lifting it off the trailer and getting it in the workshop. I'm going to need to rejig because I can't go down the ramps with that swinging off the front. That won't work. Probably better to take the brake off and the jockey wheel up. I can edit, it's fine, I'm professional. Down the arrow. Right. about as far as I can get it in. Hoo-hoo! It's nearly in the workshop. What a mammoth mission that was. And without that new Kubota tractor, I would have had a hope of hell's chance of getting it off the back of the ute. To be fair, I would never have put it in the back of the ute to start off with if I couldn't get it off at this end. But the fact is, it's almost in. It's about an inch into the workshop. I've now got to find some space for it, work out how I'm going to shuffle it the last little bit, and then you'll see a milling machine in the Andy Mechanic workshop. How cool is that? I mean, seriously, what could possibly go wrong with me having a milling machine? I'm bad enough on the lathe. Anyway, crew, hope you enjoyed that short video. It was done at request. Some of the viewers watching the live stream this morning said, "Hey Andy, when you unload that milling machine off the back of your ute, we really want to see you do it with your tractor, because it's not going to be easy." The biggest problem was the little Kubota didn't have enough lift on the bucket to be able to do it. So we had to put the digger, the tractor, on the trailer behind the ute to get it high enough up to be able to do that. And then we struggled with reach, so we had to pull the mill back on the deck with the tractor, and it wasn't easy. And the plan did change. It evolved a little bit as we went along. I couldn't even get the mill off the side of the trailer with the digger. I had to put the tractor back up on the trailer and do it that way. I didn't really want to come down the ramps on the trailer with it hanging off the bucket. It was swinging around a bit, but it sort of worked out okay in the end. And big thanks to Mrs. Mechanic for being camera person on this one. It's not often I have a camera person, but she did a great job, so thank you very much, darling. Okay, crew, well, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Cheers, over and out.
And we get the flip again.
Oh!